Hi guys, it's Michelle, and this pinata that my daughter sent me is full of stuff. So I opened the top. I don't want to bust it open because I don't want to ruin it. But I figured maybe we can go see what's inside the pinata. Oh my goodness, so much stuff, I bet. Did not realize it was stuffed. Oh, trying not to ruin it anyways. So cute. So we're going to see what's inside. Ooh. It's a little unicorn solar dancer. So cute. That's adorable, Ashley. Thank you. Ooh, Reese's peanut butter cup. Yum, yum. Reese's peanut butter is one of my favorites. Ooh, what's this? Okay. 99% unicorn, 1% human. Oh, that's adorable. That is so cute. I love it, Ashley. Thank you. Oh, that's cute. I'm busy. Door hanger. I'm sleeping. Oh, I love it. That is cute. Oh, and it's a little book too. We'll have to read that. That is so cute. Okay, let's see what else is in the unicorn. All sorts of goodies. Oh, it's a unicorn fortune pen. So, yeah, that's cute. Unicorn to-do list. Slide on a rainbow. Bark glitter. Grant wishes. Eat a sparkle sundae. Play with fairies. Believe in magic. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you, Ashley. Okay, what else can we find in this unicorn? Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you, Ashley. It's got a little, they're man pacifiers. And this one's got a mermaid. That is so cute. This one has a little seahorse with a baby. Aww. And that has a little Pegasus unicorn on it. So cute. Thank you, Ashley. I love them. That is adorable. Another Reese's peanut butter cup. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, and Hershey's. I love Hershey's. Oh, and a Milky Way. Alright, here's something. Ooh, and Bubblies unicorn. So cool. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So we'll definitely have to check that out. Well, she's got something inside of her. Huh, that's neat. Let's see what else is hiding in here. All sorts of, ooh, more candy. Almond Joy. Hershey's. Almond Joy. More candy stuffed in the legs. Well, I'll have plenty of chocolate floating around here. Oh my goodness. More candies. Oops, dropped one. Not for you, Maya. Not for you. Sorry, there's more stuff in here. Oh my god, I'm being spoiled. Oh my gosh, a unicorn wall charger. How cool is that? I have never seen one of those. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. What stuff you don't find, Ashley. Oh my goodness. Okay. More candy. Oh, so much candy. Let's see. Oh. Okay, it all feels like candy. Stand him up, make sure nothing's stuck in his head. Oh, there's something else in here. Aw, unicorn hand sanitizer. That is so cool. Alright. Got a hold of more candy. Sorry, there was some stuff stuck in the head. Oh my goodness, so much candy. Yeah, you definitely filled it with my favorite candy, Ashley. Oh my gosh. Okay. More candy. I think I got everything in the unicorn, guys. So thank you so much, Ashley, for the unicorn pinata and all the goodies that were stuffed inside. So please comment down below. What was your favorite thing that my daughter sent in the unicorn pinata? And thank you so much for my belated birthday present, Ashley. I love it. That is so cute. Oh my god, it's hard to pick a favorite. But I do get a kick out of the unicorn wall charger. That is hilarious. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And remember, you're never too old for unicorns. So thank you, Ashley. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.